magnetic float switch.
Welcome back to Marine Electrical Made Easy. In this video, we will discuss the common faults of a magnetic float switch and how proper maintenance can ensure reliable operation on board ships. Let us begin with the common faults. The first fault is a float jammed due to dirt or sludge. Over time, dirt, oil or sludge can build up inside the tank, preventing the float from moving freely. As a result, the switch may fail to detect the correct liquid level. The second fault is reed switch failure. Since the reed switch is the electrical switching element, failure can prevent alarms or pumps from operating correctly. Another problem is a weak magnet inside the float. If the magnet loses its magnetic strength, it may not activate the reed switch properly. Loose electrical connections can also interrupt the signal between the float switch and the control panel, causing unreliable operation. Another common issue is water ingress into the electrical housing. If water enters the housing, it can damage the electrical components and cause short circuits. Corroded terminals are also common in the marine environment due to moisture and salt, leading to poor electrical contact. A damaged cable can interrupt the electrical signal and cause false alarms or complete failure. Finally, mechanical damage to the float rod can prevent the float from moving smoothly, making the switch inaccurate or inoperative. These are the most common faults that engineers should regularly inspect during maintenance. Now let us look at the maintenance of a magnetic float switch. Regular maintenance helps improve reliability and prevents unexpected failure. First, clean the float regularly to remove dirt, sludge or oil deposits that may restrict its movement. Next, check that the float moves freely along the guide rod without sticking. Always inspect the wiring and cable glands for damage, loose connections or water entry. It is also important to test the alarm operation by manually moving the float to ensure the reed switch and alarm system are functioning correctly. Inspect all metal parts for corrosion, especially in an environment where salt and moisture can cause rust. Check the tighten and mounting bolts to ensure the switch remains securely fixed to the tank. Finally, if the reed switch is found to be faulty, replace it immediately to restore proper operation. By carrying out these simple maintenance checks, the magnetic float switch will continue to provide accurate level detection and reliable alarm operation. So today we learned about the common faults and maintenance of a magnetic float switch used on ships. Regular inspection, cleaning and testing can prevent failures and ensure safe operations of tank level alarm systems. I hope you found this video useful. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share and subscribe to Marine Electrical Made Easy for more marine engineering and ETO training videos. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.